See those deep, fast breaths after a sprint? Here's why. When you sprint, your muscles burn through oxygen crazy fast and make a ton of carbon dioxide. Your lungs work overtime to swap out that CO2 for fresh oxygen. Inside, your heart pumps harder and blood rushes to your muscles. But you also build up something called lactic acid, which makes you breathe even faster to help clear it out. That heavy breathing is your body's way of recovering and balancing things out. Like and subscribe for more. What fitness myth do you want explained next? Drop it in the comments.